kind of I don't even know what the right word is, but he really.
Everything. He says I don't like it.
But they were great, you know.
I mean, look, I'm a.
Just to myself, under my breath.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, that's just it. It's a great movie. I just saw it. It's a really good movie. No. Well, it's exciting, you know. It's a little nerve-wracking.
No, maybe Winter Soldier. You never know, you know. You gotta kind of test the waters. No way, this will end well.
More appropriately, what he doesn't like.
So you take it. Maybe Winter Soldier. Yeah, you know that's you know I want it that way. I'll tell you right now. My God. I've seen Anna do too many moves now. Be careful. That's it. Keep them on their toes. Unbelievably prepared for it. That's right. And look, Anna's great at what she does. She's phenomenal with it. She's like the coolest kid. No.
You have the humor, and you have the drama, and you have the conflict. It's...
He wouldn't stand a chance. They're beautiful creatures. Make a big mistake. Look, I love what I do. It's great what I pour all of myself into it. Well, my plans are this. That's right, it is. Thank you.
I'd say at least 4 to 5 times a day.
A lot of human qualities that we can connect with. That. Man, I'm wiping tears away. Cat lover. I'm an animal lover. I feel like they look at me. He makes mistakes. You know.
And what I found was that phrase.
Because he did such phenomenal work. That.
Very kind and very gentle with us.
But yeah, it's big shoes to fill. You know, in terms of
Tell him nope. No.
I got nothing but love for cats.
I can honestly say we'll be satisfied. We've managed to strike a balance with everyone, and
So that's proof right there.
He's somehow worked its way into my day-to-day.
I mean, but it's only because I said I didn't want it. Because they can reference other things. Like for no reason. I'll probably take a dog. I don't think they like me.
I can't. It's not gonna happen.
Just anyone who does that. I was affected. I mean, I knew it was coming. And
However,
there is
Thor's
no
my least
however.
favorite.
There's not.
The way society is now, you know.
Stop with your blue eyes, bro.
That's RDJ.
Like a champ.
Or 70 years ago.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
No! And really made us feel at home.
My cat was stuck up a tree.
Sometimes people have responsibilities.
I did, of course I did. I was nervous, I was excited. If I could play any Marvel villain, what should I pick? What should I pick? Maybe Loki seems to have the most fun. Hi guys, hi, hi. When did that happen?
You know what I mean?
Scarlett's always in superhero shape. My only actor friend that actually came to see the play.
It's not why I did it.
Sure.
Probably pretty simple. I'm Captain America.
Don't let her tell you anything otherwise.
You know.
There's none. Typical Mark.
That Black Widow suit slips on and off pretty easily.
You're so sweet. Bummer, finally. I'm enjoying it.
What